This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at a recent breakout alert that I had sent out to my paid clients. You can see here for December 23rd, so about a week ago. The stock is EYEG at $8. Breakout level was at 7.84. And let's take a look at what has happened over the last couple of trading sessions about a week ago. And we can see a week later the stock is doing well for the day, up about 30%, and is number 5 in all of the US stocks that are moving higher. This is the top gainers list, and the stock is doing very well for the day. Again, we go back to why I sent out that breakout alert when I did, which is based on the monthly chart. And we can see after many years of drifting lower, and given a market that is moving higher as of late 2019, this stock has picked up momentum. And the reason why it was a breakout candidate for paid clients is because, as we can see, based on the method I try and teach you guys, my own researched method, a method I have perfected, tweaked over the last 20 years or so. It's a simple method here. We can see as price was breaking out or about to break out recently. Let's take a look at what the RSI was doing. RSI was moving to 3-year highs. And we can see here not just one of the MACDs, but both of the MACDs were also breaking out to 3-year highs. So again, the ultimate Muathe breakout. Minimum requirements were met. If we take a look at the daily, we can see now with today's move, the stock is capturing great momentum. So our timing there happens to have been perfect. Breakout alert was sent right there at 8:02, 5 trading sessions ago. You too can do this on your own. The method is very simple. Once you learn the method, that's all you need to know. Very simple method. Just the RSI and MACD minimum requirements. Once you master the method, then you too can be finding similar type of situation. Now, let's keep in mind that the market plays a big role. So we need a market that is bullish. So when the market is on fire, these types of things happen. You can get this type of explosive moves. But when the market turns bearish, which at some point it's gonna do, then you have to know how to adjust your strategy. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.